Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm gonna walk you through how to log in Hallow app on device. To know how to log in and what is Hallow app is used for, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get into the video. So as we know that Hallow app is used for daily prayer and meditation, sleep stories and calm music, rosary and chanting, Bible study and homilies, challenges and community. Often compared to apps like Headspace or Calm, but with a focus on Christian spirituality and mindfulness, this app is made for. So to log in this app and explore all this feature, let's get into the video. First thing, you need to make sure that Hallow app is downloaded on your device, and after that you need to just open the app Hallow. So this is the very first home page of this app, and to log in the app there is the various option to log in. So you can also continue with your email or phone, you can also continue with your Apple ID, or you can also continue with your Google ID. So I would like to continue with my Apple ID, and after that I would like to confirm and now you need to click on the option continue. Now you are verified to your Apple ID and you will be logging to this app within a few seconds. Now you are logged into the app, and this is the very first home page after you get logged into this app. So this is how you can just log in, and this is the very easy steps to log in. So I would like to click on the continue and allow continue. Now first, as I'm new to this app, so I would like to try for 30 days of free trial. After that only I'm going to pay for this app, and according to their subscription I will buy their subscription and use this app and its features. So this is how you can log into this app. That's it for today. Hope this video helped you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.